Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Thursday. It is already Thursday. We are sliding right on into Friday. And I have a very busy weekend planned, and I'm sure you guys probably do too. I do know there's a lot of little things that I need to get done. So my plan is to get those things done. But right now, I am going to be using some of the wire spacer charms that I make. So I'm going to be using some of these to put on on a bracelet. And I am going to be making a lot more bracelets using these spacer charms. And I'm going to be using some of the polka dot beads. And I'm going to be doing a lot of polka dot bracelets for one of the websites that I sell on. And doing a lot of promoting with that and stuff for the polka dot collection that I'm getting ready to do. So I'm getting ready to work on some polka dot bracelets. And probably some other things later, maybe a couple of necklaces using some of the polka dot beads, but for right now they will be bracelets. With bracelets, the bracelets tend to sell pretty good. Necklace sets sell too, especially like if I do women seminars or women events or different things like that. The sets always sell like really good. It's something about bracelets online. Bracelets for me sell really good. In addition to the pictures, like I take pictures of my product and I sell pictures of my product on different websites. So pictures of the bracelet sell better than any other piece that I make, be it earrings or necklaces. So that's like one of the reasons why I always make a lot of bracelets, because I'm doing things with the bracelets in the sense of those pictures, and bracelets just seem to sell a lot better. Because everybody don't wear big chunky necklaces and things like that. And then I'm finding that a lot of people are beginning to know that they like chunky bracelets, so they'll buy them. It's like, oh, I never even, yeah. So once you don't even know you like it until you have the opportunity to see it and try it on and be like, oh, okay, I do like this. This looks really good on me. But some people don't even know they like chunky jewelry until they actually try it on. So we're gonna go ahead and start with a couple of the beads. Actually, one of the beads, and then we're going to take our spacer, wire spacer, and this was made with, I think, 15 millimeter aluminum. And then I just went ahead and hung some charms on them. There is a video on here on how to do this. So we're just going to go ahead and get this started. Yeah, and people don't know they like certain things until they actually, put it on and try it. So this is what this looks like. And then we have another one here we're going to put on. I'll put this one on this side. And then we will put this one on this side. So we're just going to do these three right here, and this will be like this for the front part right up here. And then we'll go ahead and finish it off with some beads. And these are 20 millimeter hand painted beads. The polka dot beads will be on the website later today. There's a lot of different colors. So if you're into polka dots and you want to try some of the polka dot beads out, they will be available. So this is what that's going to look like right there. So, and this is what that's going to look like right there. Oh yeah, that's real cute. I think what I'm going to do too is I'm going to go ahead and make some more of these spacers, and then you can see if these spacers went around the whole bracelet, how cool would that be, right? Like just around the whole bracelet. So not just charms hanging from the bracelet, but the charms are hanging from the wire. So if I make enough of these wire, I think I'm gonna probably do that in a little bit. make enough of the wire spacers, the wire spacers that have charms on them, and then just put them around the entire bracelet. How cool would that be? That would be really cool. But in this case, we're only going to do it like right at the top part. And then this is going to be one of the bracelets. And then I am going to, I'm going to be making more of these polka dots. Because like I said, I'm going to be selling and pushing the polka dot collection on one of the websites that I sell on. This is really nice. Look. So if I took this bracelet, not necessarily this, but, and I might do that. I might just take this bracelet apart. And then I'm going to make more of these wire spacers, because you can see how that would look if these spacers were just all the way around this bracelet. How cool that would actually look. So instead of its charms just hanging around it, it's you got the wire spacer, and then the wire spacer holds all the charms, and you can see how cool that would look. I really like this. And I think I had made these before. I think I made bracelets using these before, like using this type of spacer before. So it might be a video on here showing that. I do know I made a video showing how to make these little spacers. They're real easy. The wire spacers, really easy, simple. So this is one of the polka dots. So for this bracelet, and I only made a couple of these for me, so that I could make one. Bracelet. And there are packs of beads. Wait, what did I put up there? I think there's a pack. There's a mixture of beads. Oh, I'm gonna show you. So the polka dots. So they're going to be just plain like this, one color, or you can get like a mixture of different colors. These are the 25 millimeters right here, and you get 10 of these. But there's a lot of different colors. Well, later on, I'll be putting the mixtures up on the website, but there'll be mixtures of polka dot beads like this. You should be able to get some solids like this, just polka dots. And then this is pretty much like what they look like when you make something. I really like this, but I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to take this apart because I'm going to make more spacers. I really do dig the spacers. I don't remember if I made one like this or not, but I am going to do that. I'm going to take it apart and make some more spacers. Darling Knife for Jewelry by BD Ken. Guess what? We'll talk.